Upward facing dog pose. From a plank, gently lower knees to the ground and untuck toes. Keeping arms straight or only slightly bent, slowly lower belly down and forward. Hands are under shoulders. Drop shoulders down away from ears. Bring shoulder blades together behind you and bring your body forward through your arms. Try relaxing everything in your body other than what you need in your arms to hold you. To protect your lower back, pull your hands gently back towards you rather than pushing forward. Open your chest more forward than up. By doing so, you will open up the chest, spine, and abdomen.